puppies.
I want to take one home. This one. I want him. Bye.
No worry, it's not very stronger. That's why I said when you jump there, quickly swim into the rocks. This is our meet point, Lisa. Simple things. And then we twist it. We come again this way to go to this way. It is. Yeah, you have to just make tight.
Sunglasses.
Sorry?
I lost my sunglasses.
What?
How's it feel, buddy? Feel good? So definitely the benefit of being here right now, there is literally barely anyone.
Come on in, Marina.
All right, we're pretty stoked on this part of Sri Lanka. It's called Kalpitiya, I think. I'm probably saying it wrong.
Kalpitiya.
It's kind of surreal how quiet it is.
It's beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. So only problem is food.
Yeah, we're
Mentioned before, but
yeah, we are having some first world problems trying to find some food on this very, very quiet part, being that it's off season and everything's closed down.